How to fix Huawei mobile phone camera not focusing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then again click on apps and scroll down and then click on camera. Now here you can see the option force stop. First of all, force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then open storage and clear your cache memory. After that, go back to your home screen and then open camera. On top right corner, you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option restore defaults. Now click on it and then click on OK. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.